Hey y'all, it's Janine, and I'm living life with a twist, and here is another beauty tip for y'all that I know you're gonna love. But first, if you like this or any of our other videos, please hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, share, and please comment, because I definitely want to hear from y'all. Okay, so to the beauty tip for today. I don't know about y'all, but I have terribly frizzy hair. If you've seen any of my other videos, you might have seen the corkscrew where I have my hair right here and it kind of goes in a pigtail. Well, that's because I have naturally curly hair, and when I brush it all to the side and stick it right here, it wants to do that. So I will get out of the shower, I'll put it there in the twist, especially in the summertime when, you know, living down south gets incredibly humid, but I do this tip that I'm about to show you all year long. So I have taken old t-shirts, soft old t-shirts, cut off the arms and cut up the bodies, and I'm actually going to cut two. I have an old mannequin from cosmetology school, for y'all who don't know what cos is, cosmetology school, that I have wet down the hair on this mannequin head that we called the Deborah. Maybe some of y'all in cosmetology school know what I'm talking about. So just to demonstrate, because I am all kind of made up right now for the video and everything. So I will take my shower, I will get out, I will have my towel for my body, and I will use my old t-shirts that, you know, maybe I just don't want. Maybe they have a hole in them, something like that. And I cut them up and I keep them in a stack like so on top of my cabinet that's above my toilet. So we're gonna cut to the Debbie. Okay, here we are in a different angle, and this is my mannequin head Debbie from school. First off, let me say they put the actual names on the neck, and then we call them from there. You see it says Deluxe Deborah, so I called her Debbie. My teacher wanted us to call them babies, but my goodness, it's bad enough that we had severed heads, but I digress. So I've wet her hair down, and I have my trusty cut-up t-shirt right here, and I just want y'all to know, when I go in, I go like this, and I press down, and I press and I press. I never rub, because what you want to do is slowly take it down your head, squeezing out the water in a nice, slow, soft-ish manner. That way that you don't, if you rough your hair like that, especially with a terry cloth towel where you're rubbing against the cuticles and they lay down, just like if you've ever seen a Spanish tile roof or just a plain roof, everything lays on top down that way, and a cuticle is no different. So you want to go from the top down, wet like that, softly squeezing, not rubbing, and you're going to start before you blow dry your hair, let it air dry. You're actually ahead of the game and trying to head off that frizz before you even put any products into your hair. And of course, if you rinse with a cool water rinse, that's also going to be number one, a cool water rinse. Number two, use a t-shirt to get the water out. And you can see from doing Debbie's hair here how much water actually came out of her hair and how much water will come out of your hair. So again, I have lots of t-shirts that I have cut up. I have more than this, but I just wanted to, brought in a few for the video, and I keep them on top of my cabinet right above my toilet. So I have my towel. Yes, I use a towel, of course, for the rest of my body, but for my hair, I go that way because I do have curly, frizzy hair. So that's my tip, and if y'all like this tip or anything else, let me know. Please comment below. If you have something better, a better tip of any kind of beauty tip, please let me know, and I'll do a video about it, and I'll absolutely give you credit, because I'm not going to take anybody's idea and not give them credit. In fact, I just ran across this on some kind of beauty blog, and actually it was a Pinterest. The girls would make fun of me, Pinterest. And I don't really know whose that was, but it was several years ago, and I cut up my t-shirts, and I've never looked back. This frizzy girl is trying to get her hair under control, and I'm doing a pretty good job of it, but the t-shirts are helping me. So y'all have a blessed day and keep living that twisty life.